Wait, GoPro just dropped a new 360 camera? And they didn't even make a big deal out of it? Yeah, the GoPro Max 360 is officially here, but if you were hoping for a major upgrade, well, temper those expectations. This is basically a refreshed version of the 2019 GoPro Max. Same 5.6K resolution, same dual lens setup, but with a few tweaks. The biggest changes, better mounting options, a new Enduro battery that handles extreme cold better, and probably the most surprising part, a lower price. This thing now costs $350, which is $150 less than the original Max. Here are some of its features: dual lenses for full 360-degree coverage, the ability to shoot single lens 1440p, and flexible digital lens options like narrow, linear, wide, and max super view. Plus, it's rugged and waterproof up to 16 feet, so it can handle rough conditions. But here's the thing, 5.6K resolution in 2025? That's rough. Insta360 dropped the X4 last year, and that thing records in 8K. It's more expensive at $500, but that extra resolution makes a difference. That said, there are some solid quality of life upgrades. It now supports standard quarter 20 mounts. Finally. The mount is still under GoPro's signature folding fingers, but at least you have more options now. And that new 1600 milliamp hour Enduro battery, it holds up better in cold temps down to minus 10 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a big deal for action shooters. On the software side, GoPro's Quick app got some updates too. There's AI-based object tracking, keyframing, automatic transitions, and a new camera effects mode for quick edits. If you're editing on desktop, there's a new reframe plugin for Premiere Pro and After Effects. If you're a GoPro Premium or Premium Plus subscriber, you'll enjoy unlimited cloud storage and the ability to edit 360 videos directly from the cloud. So is this enough to get people excited about GoPro's 360 cameras again? Or is it just a stopgap while they figure out their next move? Let me know what you think.